Meaning of enterprise.
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 Enterprise. Enterprise refers to a business or organization that is typically large and complex. It can involve multiple departments, locations, or even international operations. Enterprises are generally focused on generating profits and expanding their market share. They often invest in research and development, marketing, and technology to stay competitive. Successful enterprises are able to adapt to rapidly changing markets and consumer needs, while maintaining a strong corporate culture and a coherent strategy. Overall, the term enterprise connotes ambition, sophistication, and potential for growth and success.